Hello friends. In previous lesson, we learned how Shivaji signed a treaty of peace and according to its terms, he handed over 33 forts and a territory with the revenue of 4 lakhs homes to the emperor. This treaty was signed in the year 1665, which was also known as Treaty of Purandar. According to the great general over there, Mirza Raja Jasingh, he also suggested Shivaji to go and meet emperor in Agra, and Shivaji agreed for this. Now let us see what happens when Shivaji reaches to meet the emperor at Agra. In a lesson 13, Shivaji gives sleep to the emperor. Children, putting his trust in Jasingh, Shivaji left for Agra to visit the emperor. Now, before leaving to Agra, Shivaji gave all the administration of our Swarajya towards his mother Jijabai and some other trusted Sardars. Children, he took large treasure with him. Here, the meaning of treasure means valuable object. For example, gold, silver, and money. Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court. On a prearranged day, Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. Young Shambhaji Raje also accompanied him. It was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. After finishing court at Diwan Khas, the emperor entered the hall where matters were discussed. In front of him stood his chief sardars in serial ranks according to their status. Chastwan Singh Rathod, whom the Marathas had put to flight on many occasions. Here, the meaning of flight means the person was running away, was put in rank ahead of Shivaji. The emperor put Shivaji in one of the back rows. Shivaji became angry. Why Shivaji became angry? Because after all, he was the best king of Maharashtra. And his status demanded that he should be in the front rank. This was a deliberate insult which he would not suffer lying down. Angry and insulted, he turned his back on the royal presence and made for his residence. He decided never to see the emperor's face again. His visit was thus a failure. The news of this incident spread everywhere. The emperor's treachery. Aurangzeb ordered guards to be posted around Shivaji's residence. Shivaji understood the emperor's treachery. He realized that the emperor would not let him return to Maharashtra. Then Shivaji Maharaj made up his mind to escape from the emperor's clutches. Come what may. To begin with, he obtained the emperor's permission to send back to the south the persons who had accompanied him to Agra. The emperor was happy. He thought that Shivaji Maharaj would now be completely isolated. Here, the meaning of isolated means he would be completely lonely. The only persons left with him now were Shambhaji Raje and the two servants, Hiroji Farzat and Madari Mehetar. Soon after, Shivaji Maharaj presented to be ill. He complained of severe pain in stomach. Doctors were called. They started treating the patient. Shivaji started sending out huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and maulavis for his quick recovery. Escape from Agra. Every day, a huge baskets were sent. In the beginning, the guards outside would examine the baskets. In course of time, they got tired of daily routine. So they stopped checking the basket. One fine day, Shivaji thought of an idea. of making Hiroji sleep in his bed and asked Madari to massage his feet. And Shivaji and Sambhaji hid themselves in two of many baskets, which were going outside with the sweets. Little distance ahead, his faithful servants were waiting for them with horses. Meanwhile, here, Hiroji and Madari moved outside saying that they are going to doctor to bring medicines for Shivaji. In this way, they too also escaped from Agra. The emperor came to know of Shivaji's escape the next day. He was wild with rage. His sardars were frightened. The emperor sent spies all over the country to trace Shivaji. All the search, however, was in vain. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in emperor's net. Shivaji left Sambhaji Raje behind in safe place at Mathura and reached Rajgarh. Seeing him, Jijamata was overjoyed to see Shivaji safe and back home. 2 months later, Shambhaji Raje also arrived safely at Rajgarh. In this way, with great skills and daring, Shivaji Maharaj gave sleep to emperor and returned back safely to his kingdom. Children, these incidents took place in the year 1666. Thank you, children. Hope you all have understood this lesson.